This is the OnePlus Watch 3, and OnePlus says this is the smartwatch that finally balances great battery life with real smartwatch smarts. Big claim, right? Because usually you're forced to pick one or the other. So after actually living with this on my wrist, workouts, sleep, notifications, the whole deal, I found a few things that might surprise you. Some are really good, and some might be deal breakers. Let's talk about it. OnePlus Watch 3 product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the OnePlus Watch 3, OnePlus's latest premium smartwatch, officially released in 2025, and it's clearly aimed at Android users, especially people already living in the OnePlus ecosystem. Think busy professionals, fitness-focused users, and anyone who wants a smartwatch that doesn't need charging every single night. The big selling point here is OnePlus's dual-engine approach. You get full Wear OS for apps and smart features, plus a low-power real-time OS that kicks in when you don't need all that horsepower. In theory, it's the best of both worlds, but how does that actually feel day to day? OnePlus Watch 3 Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? Honestly, this is one of the smoothest Wear OS experiences I've used recently. Navigating menus, launching apps, and scrolling through notifications feels fast and fluid. No weird stutters, no frustrating lag. I use this for everything, from morning workouts to Spotify controls to replying to texts and checking calendar alerts, and it just kept up. The Snapdragon-powered Wear OS mode handles the heavy lifting, while the low-power mode quietly takes over when you're just checking the time or tracking steps. You don't see that transition, and that's the point. What surprised me most is how consistent it feels. Even after a few days without restarting, performance stayed solid. Features and tech. Let's talk standout features, because this is where the Watch 3 tries to justify its existence. First up, dual-engine architecture. This basically lets the watch switch between full Wear OS and a power-efficient OS automatically. Why should you care? Because it means you get Google Maps, Wallet, and third-party apps without sacrificing battery life. That's huge. Second, health and fitness tracking. You've got heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen, sleep tracking, stress tracking, and advanced workout modes. In real life, this means you can wear it 24/7 without feeling like you're babysitting the battery. Sleep tracking in particular is solid and detailed without being overwhelming. Third, Google ecosystem support. Google Assistant, Google Wallet, Google Maps, it's all here. Paying for coffee with your wrist or navigating on a run just works, and that convenience adds up fast. Design and build quality. Aesthetically, OnePlus absolutely nailed it. The Watch 3 feels premium the moment you pick it up. You're getting a stainless steel case, a clean circular design, and a display that's bright enough to see outdoors without squinting. On the wrist, it feels solid, but not bulky. That said, this is definitely a watch, not a dainty fitness band. Smaller wrists might notice the size, especially during sleep. Buttons are tactile, the crown is responsive, and overall it feels like a flagship product, not a compromise. Battery life. Here's the thing. Battery life is where this watch really flexes. With mixed usage, notifications, workouts, sleep tracking, I was getting multiple days on a single charge. That's rare for Wear OS. If you push it hard with GPS workouts and lots of apps, expect closer to 2 days. Still good. Switch to power saving mode, you're looking at way more. Pros. Excellent battery life for a Wear OS watch. Smooth, reliable performance. Premium design and build quality. Cons. Limited appeal for iPhone users. Fitness metrics aren't as deep as Garmin's. Final verdict. So, who is the OnePlus Watch 3 actually for, and is it worth your hard-earned cash? Look, if you're an Android user, especially a OnePlus phone owner, this is one of the most balanced smartwatches you can buy right now. You get real smartwatch features, great performance, and battery life that doesn't stress you out. If you're a hardcore athlete chasing ultra-detailed metrics, something like Garmin might still make more sense. And if you're on iPhone, yeah, this isn't for you. But for everyone else, people who want a smartwatch that just works and lasts, the OnePlus Watch 3 feels like OnePlus finally figured it out. It's not perfect, but it's confidently good.
And honestly, that's saying a lot.